Hi guys, I'm Dan and welcome to my channel, Life Begins at 30. I've been travelling the world since 2015 and in 2020 decided to quit my job in the military after nearly 10 years and during the middle of the pandemic and pursue my dream of full-time travel. Now I'm travelling around Europe in a self-converted van and would love for you to join me on my adventures. So let's dive into this week's video. Hey guys, it's Dan here at Life Begins at 30 and this week's episode I head to Fuengirola to meet up with another van lifer that I met in Marbella, Amanda. Now Amanda's this lovely girl who's from Sweden and she lives and works from her van and we both thought it would be a great idea to do mini van tours of each other's vans. So not only do we get a mini van tour in this week's episode, but I also visit the beautiful seaside town of Fuengirola. Fuengirola is this small seaside town located in the south of Spain, about 25 minutes drive from Malaga. And if you're heading down in this direction towards Marbella, towards Tarifa, it's definitely worth having a little stop off here. And it's also home to this, Colomares Castillo, a lovely monument that was built on the hills way above the town in honour to the late sailor Christopher Columbus. Now I took Moby straight up to the hills to go and visit it, and unfortunately due to coronavirus, like most places, it was closed. But I was able to bring out the drone and capture this amazing footage of the castle. Good morning, Amanda.
Good morning!
And welcome to this van tour. After I've just spilt everything in your van.
It was red wine, then it was coffee. You're not allowed to be in my van anymore.
No, of course not. Go on, son. So loud.
It is crazy now. We should have these signs, you know, like video recording. Be quiet.
Please be quiet.
Like
just
like
a bit, yeah.
What do you call it? Like filming, you know, just
Yeah.
signs.
Right, okay, so.
Yeah, what do you want me to tell you?
Tell me about your van. How old is it? What is it?
It's end of 2018, so it's quite new. It's 3 years old. And I bought it in September, so that is just, what is it? Like 5 months ago?
Right, okay. So it's free from rust at the moment.
Yep, it is. Not like yours.
Cool, and how long did it take to build?
Actually 35 days.
35
36
days.
to be exact.
Just over a month.
Yeah.
Cool.
I was in a rush. I had to leave Sweden. It was way too cold.
I bet you could tell she was Swedish, right?
Yeah. Blonde and blue eyes always.
Right, okay.
So yeah. So I've been living it full time since October.
How much are you enjoying van life at the moment?
I absolutely love it. I never felt this much at home as I do.
Because you meet people like me, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
just
I thought
people
so.
like you.
Let's go for this mini tour then.
Okay, so this is the kitchen. This was the most important thing for me to have. It's the coffee brewer, and you know that. It's good Swedish coffee you get every single morning.
And she's just got an advertisement deal with a coffee brand.
Yeah, getting sponsored by coffee.
Yes.
So yeah, I do have shower, toilet. So that was also important for me to be able to, like, I can take a shower if I want to. It's a big mess in there though. So I have that. I'm not a big fan of cooking, so I chose to have a small kitchen.
Yep.
So, but I can also do like this.
And
That's where I serve all of the pancakes for you guys.
yes, it is. Also, this wine glass here, holder, someone asked me on Instagram, like, where's that wine glass holder from?
I actually ordered 2 because it looks weird to just have one, but it's just one that got here, so I just actually ordered another one. So
Okay.
next time you look into my van, I probably have 2. I hope that.
And the drawers, how do we do the drawers?
I will just do like this, but when I drive, I secure them like that.
Awesome.
And then yeah, some food storage, other storage. This is my wardrobe. Fits all of my clothes, which is a big mess. You don't want to look into it. You know, got to hide it somewhere. And then the bed. I actually sleep this way, so not the way you have your bed.
Yeah.
Because here is like almost 180.
Yeah.
Between the walls. And I'm not that tall, so I fit there.
No, you're not. You're tiny, actually. I've never actually noticed that. Yeah, you are tiny. And then this.
Strong and tiny.
This is what I want in my next van.
Yeah, so this was really, really important for me because I do work full time.
Yeah.
So I wanted to have like some kind of office space. So that was really, really important for me. It was not easy to build, but that's because I have no idea how to do it.
And then the fridge.
And then the fridge, tiny fridge, but full of food. So.
It's got a little freezer compartment.
Yeah.
Yes.
Holds for frozen berries as well. So.
And to end this mini van tour, let's go around the back and see what's on there.
So we actually at the moment been living 2 people in my van, helping out a friend. So it's actually a huge mess. So I got more stuff than I usually do. But yeah, so I have this that I can pull out, so you don't actually have to, you know.
Oh right, okay. You don't have to go into it, but I'd like to see that. So that just goes all the way down and then just covers everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got to look pretty, right?
Yeah. But now it's just lots of stuff because we are living 2 people in here. But back here I got extra water, like tent, sleeping bags, hiking stuff, diving stuff, like literally everything you need. I have a whole gym in the van.
Of course, we love the gyms.
Yeah, for the outdoor workouts. And yeah, kind of a good better view when you don't have a car behind you.
And if you want to see more of Amanda's van tour, what do we need to do?
You have to go into my YouTube channel and check out my van tour, or Instagram. I show quite a lot there as well.
And I will link the description below, so quickly click on that little downwards arrow, have a look at the description, click on her channel, subscribe and check out her full van tour.
Amazing!
Thank you so much for watching this week's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, and hopefully I'll see you next week.